Hello everyone, once again I welcome to my channel. Today I am in front of you to share with you a good topic. Today my topic name is happiness. Happiness is an abstract thing. It varies person to person. Think about a rich man. He has huge money. He can buy a costly bed to sleep at night, but he can't. So, happiness is different to different person. Think about a poor man. Supply of food is happiness. On the other hand, think about a hungry man. A good dish is happiness for him. And if you think about a sick man, come round of sickness is happiness. So, the feeling of happiness is different person to person. You can be happy, you can get happiness if you think that you are happy. The things you have, try to be happy and you will get happiness. And if you want to get more things, you will not be happy. And that will also hamper in your future life. If you are in happiness, the things you want to do, that will be good. There you will get success. So try to be happy in your daily life. This will give you everything. For that, from today, we must try to be happy to do good in future. This is all for you. If you want to get my next video, please subscribe to my channel. You will get my new video. Till then, be safe. Thank you.